Good morning, dear student. I'm Kunal Kiran from the Millennium School, Lucknow. Children, we have been discussing accounting treatment at the time of admission of a new partner. We have discussed till now adjustment related to goodwill, related to reserves and surpluses, and related to revaluation of assets and liabilities. Today, I'm moving forward. I'd like to discuss capital adjustment at the time of admission of a new partner. So capital adjustment can be made of two ways. One, adjustment of old partner's capital on the basis of new or incoming partner's capital. Second case, calculating the capital of new partner on the basis of old partner's capital. So I'm taking the first case, adjustment of old partner's capital accounts on the basis of the new partner's capital. It means in the question it is asked that you have to adjust the old partner's capital on the basis of new partner's capital in their new profit sharing ratio. So for this, the first step you have to do is to calculate the total capital of the new firm on the basis of new partner's capital. So total capital of the new firm equal to new partner's capital, whatever he brings, multiplied by his reciprocal of new partner's share. Whatever share of profit he is going to share, you will multiply from this amount of capital, his amount of capital, to reciprocal of his share. After calculating total capital of the new firm, you will determine new required capital of each partner on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. So second step is to calculate required capital of the old partners as per the new profit sharing ratio. And this can be calculated on the basis of the formula total capital of the new firm multiplied by new share of old partner. After ascertaining the required capital of old partner, the third step is to calculate old past partner's existing capital after all adjustment. When I say after all adjustments means after adjustment related to goodwill, related to profit or loss on revaluation, related to reserves and surplus or accumulated losses, whatever the balance comes after all adjustment at the time of admission, that amount, that balance is known as present existing capital of old partners. Now you will compare the existing capital of the old partner with the required capital in the new firm, required capital of the old partner in the new firm. So there could be a two situation. One, when required capital is more than the existing capital. It means suppose it means that the or that old partner is having a deficient capital. He is requiring capital, suppose 1 lakh required capital, and he is suppose having only 80,000 existing capital. So he is deficient by his capital is the capital is having a deficit of 20,000. So this is a situation of deficit capital situation. In that case, if question asks you to that adjustment should be made through cash, then the old partner who is having a deficit capital, he will bring cash, and the journal entry will be cash account or bank account debited to concerned partner's capital account. If question asks you that adjustment made through their current account, then the partner who is having a deficient capital, his current account will be debited and his capital account will be credited. So we can say in general, cash and bank account debited if amount brought, concerned partners current account debited if amount not brought to concerned partners capital account. Another situation when required capital is less than the existing capital. Like required capital is 1 lakh and existing capital is 1.5 lakh. So that whole part, this is a situation of surplus capital or excess capital, right? The person, that partner is having a surplus capital because in new firm his capital requirement is of 1 lakh, but at present he is having 1.5 lakh. So 50,000 is 50,000 amount is in excess, or he is having a surplus of 50,000. So now he has two choices. If question says that the If question says that the all adjustment should be done through cash, then he will withdraw that excess amount or surplus amount. If question says that adjustment should be done through current account, then you will do accordingly. So suppose he is withdrawing cash means so concerned partner's capital account debited to cash or bank if he's withdrawing the amount. If he's not withdrawing the amount, then to concerned partner's capital account. To understand the above concept, I would like to give you one example. A and B are partners with their A and B are partners with their old ratio 2:1. C is joining them as a new partner with 1/4 share, and he brings capital of rupees 1 lakh. New profit sharing among them, they have agreed 2:1:1. And another information is after all adjustment, that is adjustment related to goodwill, reserves and surplus, revaluation of assets and liabilities, their adjusted capital of old partners are 2,50,000 and 80,000. So now first step you will take, you have to calculate total capital of the new firm. So total capital of the new firm equal new partner's capital multiplied by reciprocal of his share of profit. So he brings 1 lakh multiplied by his share is 1/4, so reciprocal is 4/1. So total capital of the new firm is 4 lakh. On the basis of this, we calculate A's new required capital. A's new required capital equal total capital of the new firm multiplied by his new share. So 4 lakh multiplied by his new share is 2/4. So he is supposed to have 2 lakh amount balance as his capital in the new firm, right? So at present A is having 2,50,000, requirement is 2 lakh, so he is having a surplus capital. Now if question asks you to adjustment made through cash, then the journal entry will be A's capital account debited to cash or bank account 50,000. If question asks you that surplus capital should be adjusted through current account, then you pass the journal entry A's capital account debited to A's current account. As per the question, you will pass the journal entry. Now for the B, these new required capital for B's new required capital for total capital of the firm multiplied by his new share, that is 1/4. So he is supposed to have 1 lakh 1 lakh balance of capital in new firm. So he is having at present he is having 80,000. So I have wrongly done. I have written 75,000. Suppose it is 75,000. So at present he is having 75,000 and required is 1 lakh. So 25,000, his capital is having a deficit of 25,000. So now if question asks you to adjust this deficit through cash, then he will bring cash account debited to B's capital account 25,000. Second case, when B's deficit capital adjusted, when question asks you to adjust this deficit through current account, then in that case B's current account debited to B's capital account 25,000. Another important note is, if question is silent about how to adjust the capital if there is deficit or surplus, then in that case you should adjust the capital through cash.